All right, so here we are. We are roasting for Cornerstone Coffee at this point. Myself and Dave, our roaster. What we're gonna be doing here is dumping the beans in the hopper, putting it in the barrel where it's gonna spin around. We've got flames heating up the beans. We're gonna watch the temperature rise. At the appropriate time, we're gonna drop it and then have it cool down here. We're gonna take you through the steps of our roasting process and the beans that are going to Springs Rescue Mission. Thank you, Mission Coffee Roasters, for your beans. Okay, so now we're waiting over here. We've got the beans coming around and then back up. What we're hearing right now is the first crack. The first crack, what is the first crack? Okay, so the first crack is when the beans, they're what? They're cracking?
They expand. They crack open and then release the CO2.
Okay, so the first crack is where the beans expand and release CO2. All right, now we're getting ready to drop the beans. The beans are gonna come out of the barrel and then get cool. They'll continue to cook and actually get darker as this happens. Here we go. Whoa. This is actually quite therapeutic. You've got the smell of the coffee roasting and the warmth. This is a pretty cold and windy day right now, so this actually feels pretty good. Right now we're taking the beans after they've been cold, putting them in our Rubbermaid, and then the next, after degassing, we're looking at packaging. All right, good. All right, so this is what we give to Springs Rescue Mission. And that is the coffee roasting process.